Hi guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorial. Today we're going to talk about Notion versus Monday.com. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now Notion is more on a personal use and basically a general, everyday, everything use platform. You could literally do everything you want, anything you want. It depends on what you need because you will be able to build any page or any component or part of your Notion.com or Notion.so with all the blocks over here that you need. You could create tasks, you could create tables, you could create bullets, and many more. And you also have AI to help you build anything you need with all of these options over here, as you can see. While in Monday.com, of course, it's also great. You will be able to manage your different tasks properly. You have your team members. You will be able to manage all the things that you need. You will be able to view more columns and more data for your specific task. But I think Notion.com or Notion itself is the better option because of all the other things that you could do with it. Aside from assigning and managing tasks, there's a lot more potential and a lot more things that you could build and create in Notion. So that's basically it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.